What? We're filming. We're filming.
So we're staying home, you guys, cause I'm grounded.
Yeah. Okay, bye
See
bye.
you
Later.
guys when Amaya and Natakot comes home.
Yes.
So we are gonna be going whatever I just said. So yeah, and oh my goodness, I really can't believe she's driving because like
It's
this
her
is
first time
yeah,
seeing me drive.
and this is the girl. You can go a little faster.
I know, cause we're going this way.
Oh yeah.
So I'm going slow.
Yeah, girl. So yeah, so she's driving, so I'm so happy. And this is the first time. Oh my goodness, that's the first car. Oh, girl, get in. So we're just taking a little drive to Walmart because we gotta pick up some stuff that you guys will see in the next 2 videos. So yeah, we'll see you guys at Walmart. So guys, I'm so sorry we had some difficulties. That was weird. So yeah, okay, so we went into Walmart and we forgot to vlog, but I guess there wasn't a thing where you could vlog.
Yeah.
But we got a little bit of clips, so
we'll insert it.
yeah, we'll insert it. And then also, what also happened was we were getting some fireworks because like there's like these things called sparklers. They're not like big fireworks, they're like little. So they weren't that bad. So I don't understand why. But the manager or worker was like, "Are you old enough? You look like you're 17 to ate." And I'm like, I was like, my heart's racing because I'm like, ate. And like, I was waiting for her to pull out her, because she said she's 19, and she is 19. That's why she's driving, of course. So I'm like, Ate, do you have your driver's license with you? And I'm like, kind of like nervous. I'm like saying that in my head. And so she had her driver's license, and she's like, yeah, right here. And then we're good. So we were able to get sparklers. So yeah. So we got, where's her bag?
It's right here.
Oh, you scared me. I thought we left it there.
Yeah.
So we got haul too. So we got these cool like looking things. This is cheap. Okay, this is really cheap. So this is mini glitter shakers. So we could add like glitter to our slime. Then we got, these are all not sponsored. This is glue. Elmer's glue. And yes, I had to find the one that has the most filled glue in, so that, you know, don't want to waste your money when it's half filled. So we got glue for the slime. And then we got sparklers. This is also not what is it? This is also not what is it called? Sponsored, yes. This is also not sponsored. So guys, you could use this, but this is very dangerous. It could be, so don't use it bad if you have some of these. But yeah. So we're gonna be doing some slime. That's gonna be really fun. I had the other ingredients at home.
So we're going through my school again.
Yeah, so we'll show you that. So yeah.
That's my high school.
So that was her old high school. Yeah, we're just taking a little drive through the school again.
Yes.
Kind of.
It's a big high school, isn't it?
Yeah. It's sad. Again, I don't know if you guys can see. Yep, you can see me right there. Right there it says Taylorsville High School.
Yes.
Taylorsville High School.
Can you see this TW right here?
TW. But now we're just going straight into that neighborhood right there, and we'll see you guys, y'all at home. Hey guys, Welcome back to
ACC Class Family!
It's Amaya.
Cale!
What up? And today we're back again with another video and a slime challenge.
So we're gonna do
Second
silver.
Yeah, this is the second slime challenge. So what we have are different ingredients. We have staff flow, which is the activator, glue,
Glitter sharks.
glitter, bucket to put
And
our
3 spoons.
glue in. So yeah, so we all get to pick different colors. So Cale picks silver, I pick blue.
Go.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Oh yeah, Milky Way.
Or, yeah, okay. So we can do that. We need the garbage, please.
Thank you.
Come on, Cale, sit down. So we're opening the glue.
I'm a
Yeah, it's not
beatboxer
sponsored.
by anyone. Pick a spoon.
No, later.
No.
I'll have a spoon.
So guys, we're not gonna do all of the glue, but besides this one, we're gonna do
down.
mostly.
We're not doing purple or red.
Yeah, sit down. Okay, so we're gonna pour in the glue. There's a lot. No. We're not gonna do the other bottle because actually I did not recognize how much I had. So look, it's still going and a lot of it's still coming out. So this is what it looks like right now.
See?
That's what it looks like. Don't touch it.
This is the best slime ever.
Okay guys, this one's actually the best one as what we made last time
We
because
made a green one.
and it was actually a fail because it did not last long.
Yep.
And did not really last long.
So we throw it away.
Hold on, Cale. Yeah.
Did we throw it away?
Yeah, it got melted. It melted. No, wait first. You guys see this. Don't touch it, Cale, okay?
Ooh. Bubbles.
Wait, one more. It's gonna be big. It's gonna fill this whole table. Ready, guys? Don't
Check.
no,
Watch
no.
out.
Ooh.
Cale. So we're gonna end this.
Pancake.
So we're gonna end
And by the way,
this.
this is how it looks like.
Okay. Cale, come here.
Don't shout.
You wanna get
Cool colors. Okay, let's go.
this video because we had so much fun doing this because it's slime and this is our second time doing this slime.
But the green one
And it's not fail this time.
Yeah, it's not fail. This is actually gonna
But the
stay
green one is a
for
fail.
a long time. The green one was a fail. I forgot to tell you guys that. So now, guys, we'll see you guys later.
Before the sparkles.
Yeah. So, guys, we'll
Do the sparkles.
please like this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel to be part of the ACC Cuz family. And also comment down below if your high school or any of your schools kind of match these colors, which is silver, blue, and gold. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.